Welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be styling this highlight, let's just call it Beyoncé wig. This is the actual Beyoncé wig. This is the wig that Beyoncé wears, okay? Today we're going to be installing this beautiful honey blonde kinky straight wig. Stick around for all the details about today's install. Today's hair sponsor is Sunber hair. I have worked with them once before, and this is actually my second collaboration with Sunber. They make beautiful highlight wigs. I've been getting into the kinky straight wigs a lot lately. What I have installed today is a 24-inch 13x4 honey blonde highlight wig. This is in the kinky straight texture, 150% density. Oh, this is gonna be fire. Okay, what I did off camera was I did straighten the hair. It is the kinky texture, so I left some for you guys to see. So that's what it looks like. Remember from the unboxing? Beautiful. Man, this wig got a lot of lace on it. I'm gonna remove all of the lace that I don't want on there. It looks like it's going to be really easy to install. See, it basically is stuck to my head. Now, for a glueless frontal wig, I would say you definitely can wear it glueless, but would I? I don't know. There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better. Got my melting band. Can I just say how much I love their new packaging? I love that they did yellow. Yellow is actually my favorite color. And then I'm gonna come back once it's dried. So before we move forward, I need to do something about that line. It's snitching on me. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you. Lace is really good on this wig. It doesn't require a lot of work. Just a little something. On 450 degrees, this wig does straighten very easily.
Clock is ticking, time for the eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I can replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
There is just something about you that I need.
I wanted to show you guys it straightened, and then I wanted to show you guys it curled. Now this is curled with mostly just a flat iron. Excuse me. The texture, the body, oh my goodness. So we're gonna go ahead and curl this other side.
To know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better. There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
The wig itself is absolutely beautiful. The lace is beautiful. Really didn't need much work. I loved how the lace fit ear to ear. I have my hair pretty relaxed underneath, so it is laying extra flat. There is a bit of room in here, so I would say this wig fits more on the snug side, but for me it's like the perfect fit. The highlights are absolutely beautiful. This wig can be worn in so many different ways. Even in the frizzy kinky state, this wig is beautiful. The frizziness is giving natural. It is giving Beyoncé. I honestly think this wig is like what Beyoncé wears. Her hair in any music video or award show, it's not that like silky texture. It has some substance to it. I think what she uses is a kinky straight highlight wig. Like this is Beyoncé's hair. Like tell me it's not Beyoncé's hair. Tell me, because I know you will be lying if you said it's not. When I was looking at it on my canvas hat, I was kind of intimidated. I'm like, I've never tried a highlight kinky straight wig. I'm so glad I did, and actually I'm really glad that I put these curls in it. I was just gonna leave it straight. It almost doesn't even look like it's kinky. It got so smooth and silky, like it's really not looking all that kinky to me right now. If you look at it, right, it just looks like some coarser hair. It's just so cute. You guys need to go pick you up one of these. Wow, I'm blown away. I love the blonde highlights, the honey blonde. It's stunning. This wig would look good like all different styles. You can wear it pretty much any which way you want, and it's giving gorgeous. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. They know what they're doing over there in Sunber Hair. I love their wigs, has full density, bright colors, fits well. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Like, are you kidding me? You guys, it's just fire. You need to go get you one of these wigs. This year, I'm trying things that I haven't felt super comfortable trying. Like kinky textures have been a texture that I've only tried a couple times on my channel, not because I didn't have the opportunity to, it was just because I thought like it wasn't really for me. But no, sis, the kinky texture is where it's at. I love it. I'm here for it. It's bomb.com. This is actually like my favorite highlight wig that I've received so far, because I've done a lot of reviews on highlight wigs, but with the kinky texture, it blown out or straightened and then styled this way, it's just straight fire. If you haven't already went to the website and put this in your shopping cart, I don't know what you're doing. Those are my final thoughts about this wig. It is gorgeous, beautiful, stunning, all of the above. I'm obsessed. Do you see the body? Like, ugh. It looks like you just had a good time and then you're just like, yeah, I'm going outside for some air. Going outside for some fresh air. I'll be right back. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you later in another video. Bye.